Well, hello there, Tuesday. Aren't you fixing to be a good one? You cannot hold someone down or hold them back without holding yourself down or back. You're putting restrictions on yourself if you're one of those people. And if you're like me, I'm just going to boulevard by you and I'm going to giggle at you, baby. Because I know you are not going to keep up with me. You are not going to be my competition because you're too busy whining, sniffling, crying, trying to hold people down for me to even worry about. So get out there, be the best you can be. If you're a whiner, sniffler, or crier, try to make a change today. If you're not, leave those others in your wake, baby. Enjoy your Tuesday.